In this video, I'll show you how to fix Peacock app crashing on iPhone. Step 1. Update the Peacock app. Go to the App Store, search for Peacock and update the app if an update is available. Step 2. Check app permissions. In iPhone settings, find Peacock and ensure necessary permissions like background app refresh and tracking are enabled. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. Power off your iPhone. Wait a few seconds, then power it back on to clear temporary glitches. Step 4. Uninstall and reinstall the Peacock app. Press and hold the Peacock app icon. Uninstall the app, then reinstall it from the App Store. Step 5. Check for iOS updates. Go to iPhone settings, then General, then Software Update and install any pending iOS updates. Step 6. Reset network settings. This is optional. If crashes persist, consider resetting network settings via Settings, then General, Reset, and Reset network settings. Note that this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Step 7. Contact Peacock support. If the issues continue, reach out to Peacock support via their help center for further assistance. And that's how you fix your Peacock app crashing on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.